dy over dx of this function. So we use the same trick. Natural log both sides. Natural log of the right hand side. Now the right hand side is actually natural a power b. So we put ln x. We should use the different colors. These terms here. ln x. So the blue terms here. We call that ln a power b, b ln of a. Now this one equal to ln y. You can do derivatives both sides. We call that ln u prime over u. So thus we use this here. Y prime over y for the left. Now for the right, you use the product rules. These terms multiply these terms. I put a bracket here to see the first term, the yellow term, the second one, saying the pink one. F times g prime, f prime g plus f g prime. You use this here. ln prime, ln x prime 1 over x, ln x. So that's a pink term here. Plus f ln x, the yellow terms, times the pink term prime. So for now, let me just copy that and put the prime there. Prime. Okay. Now the only term left, we need to compute this one. You use the chain rule. ln u prime is u prime divided by u. U in this case, you can think of that as this term, ln of x. So let's copy everything until this. So y over y, y prime over y equal to these terms, u prime divided by u. U is ln x prime divided by ln x. So this one is 1 over x, ln x, ln x over ln x. So the only term left is ln x prime, which is 1 over x. So we have 1 over x there in common. ln of ln x plus 1 divided by x is y prime divided by y. You multiply y both sides, you get y prime is y times the right hand side. Now just plug in what the function y is, so that you can write everything in terms of x. Y, this is y, times this term. So that is the final answer. This is dy prime or y prime or dy over dx.